Hello everybody, good afternoon, Fan Handyman here once again. Today we're going to be doing a video of a clean and service of I do believe is a 9 or 10 inch Climate Keeper table fan here. And this is another fan from a family member. This is not mine, but I'm cleaning this up for them. They brought it here to me and said that the fan had seized up, and this was a fan that they use in their kitchen, and the fan is pretty dirty here, as you can see. And from what I've been told, that when the fan is plugged in, the fan hums. Particularly locked up here. Now, the first time that I cleaned this, I've cleaned this one time before, the blades were stiff, and, well, wait a minute. It seems that the more I turn them, the stiffer it gets. Let me plug this in and see what this does here. There's just so much shit piled up on this table here. Okay, sorry folks. Get this situated here. Alright, I'm going to hold the fan up and I'm going to turn it on, see what it does. The more I turn it, the more it seizes up. What strange. Okay. Guess we'll go ahead and we'll get the blades here removed, and we're going to have a look at the motor here. Alright. Get the blade set here removed. Yeah, those blades are a little dirty. Yep. I'm just barely turning it. Well, it's barely turning it, and I'm pushing it with force. Alright. Let's go ahead and remove this mount here. Let's see where we can go from there. Well, either way, I guess this is nothing that a good cleaning won't help. So, I guess basically what I'll have to do is that I'll very carefully remove the motor from the housing here, and then I'll run it through the hose, and I'll clean the motor down with a toothbrush, and then I'll use this 3-in-1 oil that I have here to lubricate the wicks as well as the bearing, and I'll put it back together, and we'll see if it makes any progress. Okay, I guess we'll go with the cleaning process here. We'll give it a good scrubbing. Okay, everybody, let's go ahead and get back to the electricals here and the rotor and whatnot. And as I showed you before, this is the rotor shaft to the fan here, and these are the two mounts where the rotor shaft is held into the motor here. And what I showed you here a while ago, if you can see very closely, I wish this thing would focus, but if you look there on the end, if you can see it, it's called sledge, and I do believe that is oil oil turned into grease over time. And if you look there on the very bottom, if you see that little groove, that's run out, and that is what happens when the oil dries out and it starts to chafe up against the bearing, and that is how these fans lock and seize up like this. So basically what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this super high tech and I'm going to spray both ends of the shaft off with this lube here, and then I'll do the both of the wicks here, and then I'll wipe it down, and then I'll oil it, and then I'll get everything put back together, and everything should be good as new. So let's go ahead and get these cleaned off and see where we go from there. Okay, so basically what I did was I took some super high-tech lube and I cleaned off both ends of the shaft, and from the looks of it, it looks like it cleaned up pretty well. Got all the sludge and whatnot off. Looks a lot more shinier and a lot smoother compared to what it was before. So I think that's going to work out nicely. And as for the wicks here, I went and I saturated those with some oil, and so I guess basically the only thing left to do is to go ahead and get this motor put back together here and put the fan back together, and we'll give it a test run and see what it does. Okay, time for reassembly here. Together here, the oil has been thoroughly cleaned and serviced. I oiled it with some 3-in-1 oil. Looks a lot more free spinning now, if you can see it. Go ahead and we'll get it tilted here. Now we're gonna plug it in and we're gonna test it. See if it's made any difference. Oh. I don't know if you can see it, but it's spinning, it's turning. Alright. Much better. Alright, let's go ahead and throw the blade on it. Made sure not to tweak or warp the blade set as I was cleaning it. Make sure that it's going over that flat part of the shaft there. And spin it. Alright, much better. Alright, now time to test. Much better. I think that did the trick. Alright, I guess we'll go ahead and put the guard on and we'll test it again. Okay, now we have the front guard back on. Now we can go ahead and actually test it for this time. We'll go ahead and we'll start on the high speed. Alright. Medium. Drop down below. Back to high. Balance is great. Fan's running good. Running smoothly, very quietly. Okay, double O double F spills off. Alright, everybody. Well, there you have it. I hope that you have enjoyed this little service and repair of this 9-inch climate keeper fan. More videos to come. Please like, subscribe, and comment. More videos to come. Bye-bye. Till next time.